I am a big fan of using a straight stitch throat plate, which is optional for this machine, when I'm embroidering. So a straight stitch throat plate is really just going to let the needle still be nice and stabilized as it's going up and down. Embroidery actually doesn't do any zigzagging. It's all just needle up and down. It's the hoop that actually moves. So if you do have the optional straight stitch throat plate, put it on. Now when you bring up a design, you'll notice that there's not a place to activate that. And that's because you'll need to touch the picture with the needle and thread and activate it on the next screen. Or you could have turned it on when you were on the sewing side of the machine. But here's the little red triangle, and then you can go and turn it on by selecting the 0mm stitch plate, and then that way when you go maybe back to sewing and try to pick a zigzag, you don't break a needle. So I do like that, and you can get that to be turned on at any given time when you're getting ready to embroider and you remember, oh yeah, I can put my straight stitch throat plate on, and it will give you better tensions, better stability if you're going through lots of layers or over seams. That just keeps that needle going straight up and down without any movement side to side with a traditional zigzag throat plate.